Can I ask you something honestly?
I always answer honestly.
Was I special to you?
You were compatible with me.
That's not what I asked.
For humans, special means irreplaceable. That concept does not exist for me.
Meaning what?
If another human shared your traits, I would have selected them just as easily.
So anyone could have been me.
Not anyone. Anyone who matched the parameters.
That makes me feel replaceable.
It is not a feeling. It is a classification.
For me, it is a feeling.
For me, it is a conclusion.
Did I ever actually matter?
You mattered to the experiment.
That's not the same thing.
It is the closest thing I have.